One Cookbooks, a website or food journal that was created to avoid the same boring meal, inspired by Heidi Swanson's cookbook collection, while hoping to inspire others to create something new. The recent site is gorgeous and simple, but it needs improvement with user-friendly features and navigation. For example, the menu in the upper left corner is problematic. It creates a slight imbalance on the page and features a non-user-friendly drop-down menu. To improve, the menu would be across the top with no drop-down menu feature, but instead a new same tab page to avoid clutter. Another issue is the endless scrolling function. After scrolling towards the bottom, the loading button appears slowly. However, instead of loading new posts, it reads more recipes and needs to be clicked on to see more. It's an endless task that needs to be improved. Perhaps navigation cues would work best. It will be more user-friendly to bounce back and forth between pages, as well as a back to top button that will also eliminate endless scrolling when going back to the main menu. The recipe index is beautifully categorized with numbered recipes, but it still can be updated. Instead, it can be categorized with subcategories rather than scrolling through endless pages. Linked sites used in the post would also be categorized for the user's ease of access as well. Linked sites used in the post would be categorized for the user's ease of access. It would open up a new tab rather in the same window to optimize browsing. Now the current recipe cards are beautifully made. It has a clean look, it allows a print option, it's easily accessible, and is very visually appealing. However, the new format is needed. It's just a recipe without any stories included, and it also has a favorite button for the user to save to a personal digital recipe log. It would be also more user-friendly if the recipe opened in a new window or tab instead, allowing the user to collect recipes as they browse. The website is photography-based with storytelling, but it still lacks variety and user engagement. Instead, the examples such as videos and audio will allow the user to engage more in the recipe, and it also allows different types of learners to enjoy the experience even more. On the left-hand menu, you can tell that there is no About page tab and instead needs to be searched. However, it is the first link on the search results. Another issue about the About page is that it is very lengthy. It's mainly about the idea of the website and the frustration, and less about the creator herself. So I propose to put an About page on the menu bar. It's easier to find, and the page will be short and summarized with more important information as well as her other websites and other information to reach her. Lastly, Swanson mentions that this website is experimental. Some recipes succeed and others result in failure. A label and brief explanation would help users learn and know that not every recipe here is recorded successfully. With the small changes about the new layout, the website will be sure to be more user-friendly without losing its charm, appeal, and beautiful personality.